How to get glue out of carpet. One of the most critical things you can do when trying to remove glue from carpet is act quickly. As soon as you discover the glue stain, be sure to take action, as many kinds of glue are especially quick drying. Take a sharp knife and carefully scrape any glue residue off the affected area on the carpet. If the glue has hardened, you may need to scrape for a longer period to loosen the substance from the carpet fibers. After you have scraped as much of the glue away as possible, cover the glue stain with a thin cloth. Using a household iron, begin to heat up the glue by running a hot iron over the cloth, which is sitting on top of the glue stain. The glue should soften, which will then be absorbed into the thin cloth. As a last resort, grab a pair of household scissors. Slowly and carefully cut the affected area of the carpet to remove the glue residue. This method only works on thick carpets with long fibers.